Today's topic is Know Your Eyes. I'm an optometrist and today I'll talk about few eye abnormalities commonly seen in the human eyes of the newborns. For your general awareness, please listen to my talks, then kindly subscribe and share my channel. Here, let's start. Eyes are the most precious gifts of the God because with these eyes we see the wonderful world, and without the eyes the beauty of the world can't be felt. Eyes enables us to bring happiness to life. Here, if we want to feel how a blind person feels about this world, then for few seconds, if we just keep our eyes closed, then we can feel the visual pains felt by the blind. Blindness doesn't always comes at birth, but few ignored eye conditions may turn the eyes blind. So we should have some basic awareness of the eyes. Today I'm going to talk about few common eye abnormalities seen in the newborn babies. So the normal ones, please don't panic. Let me talk about these eye abnormalities one by one. Abnormality number one. Generally, human beings are born with the two eyes, but sometimes the eyes may not be visible or the eye may be shrunken from birth. In such occasions, an eye examination can only suggest whether in future the eyes will be able to see or not. Abnormality number two. In some babies, the two eyes sometimes doesn't appear to be aligned straight, and this condition is generally termed as squint. Here too, eye examination can only tell tell about the possible ways of treatment. Abnormality number three. The eyelids, that is the covering skin of the eye in one or both eyes might have come down. So so there may be a condition known as inborn ptosis, and it generally needs corrective eye, eyelid operations. Abnormality number four. On certain occasions, we see the size of one or both eyes to be bigger than what we accept normal in every other child. So here the eyes may have pressure problem in the eyes, and it warrants immediate eye checkup. Abnormality number five. In some newborns, we see a white coloration at the center of the eyeball, which may be due to inborn clouding of the lens inside the eye. This condition is termed as inborn cataract, and here operation is needed to ensure adequate visual developments. Occasionally, the white color may also talk about pediatric eye cancers, and it needs urgent treatment. The white coloration of the eye may also be due to some acquired white spot on the outermost layer of the eye, and this is termed as opacity. Abnormality number six. Parents of some newborns notices that without without crying too, water continuously drops down the eyes. Here, the parents complains that the child or the baby always keeps on crying. But actually, here the problem may lie in the part of the tear flow in the eye. Hence, an eye examination can only suggest the possible management options. Abnormality number 8. Many a times we see that apparently the eye appears to be healthy, but the child doesn't at all respond when we move any toy or any object in front of the child. So, in this case, a thorough neurological eye examination is needed. Abnormality number 9. Last but not the least, sometimes we see that the child reacts or plays only when the things or the toys are brought closer to the baby, but from a long distance, the baby fails to respond to the toys or the objects. In this case, there may be a power problem in the eyes, and this needs to be corrected with the help of powered glasses. So, here I have talked about only a few commonly seen eye problems in the young children. But for proper diagnosis and management, please visit an eye hospital. For more upcoming videos, please subscribe to my channel. My next talk will be on the various kinds of power problems in the eyes. Thank you.